Hey guys, this is Shelly. I am doing some rainy day, nasty, suck-ass weather day tickets. I am miserable today. I need something to cheer me up. The weather, it has been literally downpouring for 24 hours. I am miserable. I tried to start this day off in a delightful, pleasant way, and then I went to CVS to do my couponing, and that was a tragedy. So, it's just getting worse and worse. So I picked these up in hopes that maybe I would win something delightful. We got two of these $1 Funky 5 triplers. Those are new this month. A lucky spin, that's new this month. Double match, that was last month's new ticket. Jackpot 20, that's an older ticket now. And then this $5 loaded ticket is new this month. So let's see if we can't win some money and try to brighten my day, because it's been awful. Awful. Okay, here we go. It's like a tic-tac-toe thing, I think. 5, 5. Loser. Well, that ain't gonna get it. Psh. Loser. Yeah. Can't you hear the rain coming down? It's like awful. Seriously, it's bad. Lose, lose, lose. Psh. No problem. We have this delightful double match. Match any of your numbers to the winning numbers and then reveal any 3 like prize amounts and win that way too. So let's try that. Let's come out a little bit. We got an 8 and a 19. 2, 3, 21. Nope. 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 And nope. Okay. Let's see. We got 1,000. That'd be great. 10,000. Sure. Couple of 2s. A 5. 500. 500. 40. 10 and... loser. Oh my gosh. Come on, dreariness. Leave. Okay. This ticket. How do we do this? We gotta match numbers in the same spin. Find the little roulette symbol and win double. And let's check the bonus spot and see if we got a prize. Nothing there. Okay, so here we go. Let's go down our row first here. And we have no roulette wheel. So there's that. Okay. Nope. 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 Man, we are doing not so great today. I bet you it's because of my mood. I was all like, yeah, let's do it. And I'd be winning left and right. Jackpot. Basically, we are looking for a multiplier, the word jackpot, or to match the numbers. So let's see if we can win on this. 36? No. 19. 32. Oh, 4 and 17. 35. Hey, we got us a winner. Very nice. 18. 3. 31. Oh, good. Another winner. I like 2 winners. 18 and 11. 22. 16. 39. 3 winners. All right. All right. 25. 26. 13. 45, 10, 15, and 9. Well, that's weird. That's 3 winners. Let's just scratch them, shall we? 5, 15, and... Ooh, very nice. 25 bucks. Was not expecting that on a $5 ticket. Well, I can't bitch about that now, can I? Well, I could, but it wouldn't do me no good. All right, well, I definitely got my money back, so thank you, Jackpot 20. Let's go on to the last ticket with a little more enthusiasm because I'm not a loser anymore today. And we have a wishbone. No win. Okay, what else? What else? We have some numbers here. Let's see what we got. That's our magical numbers. And you can see we need to find a multiplier or match the numbers. So let's see what we got. Sorry about my no intros on the videos. My computer is jacked. I don't know what is going on with it and it's pissing me off. Of course, I haven't had much time to clean it out or anything, so I don't know what. So if this video is coming to you with no intro on it, I apologize, but it's my computer. And if I do have an intro, then you know I fixed it. Okay, nothing yet, nothing yet. Nothing yet. Oh, burn. Okay, 35, no. 31, no. No, 20, that's a 28. No, no. No. Okay, final row. No 21. No 22. No 12. No 20. And no 14. Alright, well, we did get one big winner out of these bad boys for $25. And that makes mama happy. Alright guys, well thank you for tuning in and watching the video, and I will talk to you soon.